Ready to transform your boring text into eye-catching typography that pops. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Then, select your type tool from the toolbar. It looks like a capital T. Click on your artboard and type out the text you want to outline. Choose your font, size, and alignment from the character panel or the control panel at the top of the screen. Now, select your text with the selection tool. The black arrow, this is the tool you'll use to select and manipulate most of your objects. We need to convert this text into outlines. To apply a stroke, go to the type menu at the top and select create outlines. Notice how the text now changes from a text object to a vector object. You can no longer edit it as text, so make sure your spelling is correct first. With your text selected, focus on the stroke panel. You can find this tucked away in the properties panel on the right side of your screen, or by going to window then stroke. It's the key to our outline. In the stroke panel, you can adjust the weight, color, cap, and corner of the outline. Increase the stroke weight to make your outline thicker. Click on the color swatch next to stroke to choose the color of your outline. Experiment with different colors to find what suits your design best. You can also play with the cap and corner settings to change the way that your outline appears at the ends of your lines and at corners. Consider setting the dash values for dashed outline. Finally, apply several outlines to the same text with just one click. There you have it. You've successfully added an outline to your text in Adobe Illustrator. Now go out there and get creative with your typography. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you would like to learn next.